Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey Grant Cousins, we have a $30,000 grant for everyone to apply for, and you'll get a chance to meet with Queen Latifah. Lenovo has introduced the Queen of Small. Lenovo and the Queen Latifah have partnered together on the 2022 Evolve Small initiative to provide small businesses across North America with access to incredible resources. This grant is called the Lenovo Evolve Small Mentorship Contest, and you have the chance to enter the contest for a chance to win a mentorship package including $30,000 cash, $10,000 of new technology powered by Windows 11 Pro, and a mentorship session with Queen Latifah. Now, this grant just opened today, October 13th. So you are one of the first to hear about this grant. So how to enter this contest is very easy. You will need to create a 1 to 2 minute video sharing how your business make a positive impact to your community and how you use this grant in technology. You will upload your video on the submission page and you will complete the entry form. A panel of judges will select finalists based on your submission, and the top 7 finalists will move on to a public vote. The eligibility for this contest is open to individuals who are legal residents of the 50 United States, including Washington, D.C., Canada, but excluding Quebec. You must be 18 or elder, and you must own a eligible small business with no more than 100 employees. You must have earned under $7.5 million in 2022, excluding franchises, licensees, and independent owners, operators of larger business entities. The deadline for the submission is open until November 15th at 8:59 p.m. Eastern Time. They will be doing online voting, and it will be open to the public online on December 19th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and it will run through January 16th at 8:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you like this type of videos, please leave a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Let me know in the comments if this grant is worth your time. Will you be checking it out? And if you do want to check out more recent grants, make sure to check out designer Soapbox /grants. I have tons of recent grants on there for you to check out, so make sure to click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to learn more. See you in the next video. Bye.